Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to crochet the first row on a foundation chain. In the video, we will demonstrate with single crochet. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain, and this is the second one. Insert the hook through the center of the V shape. Yarn over, and pull the yarn through the chain to form a loop. Now, you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. You now have 1 loop remaining on the hook, and the first single crochet is complete. Let us continue crocheting. Insert the hook through the center of the V shape of the next chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through the chain to form a loop. Yarn over again, and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is complete. Repeat these steps, crocheting 1 single crochet into each chain. Be careful not to twist the foundation chain as you work. When working into the foundation chain, depending on the type of stitch, you will need to crochet the first stitch into the second, third, or fourth chain from the hook. The crochet pattern will tell you where to place the first stitch. When crocheting, you should insert the hook from front to back through the chain, with the hook going through the center of the V shape. Some patterns will require you to turn the foundation chain over and crochet into the back bumps. This will make the edge of the work look neat. Here is the last chain, crochet 1 more single crochet into it. And this completes the first row of single crochet on the foundation chain. That is all for this video. Enjoy your crocheting time.